Hello my friends. Welcome to the 6th session of photo manipulation training. We already had 5 practice sessions for photo manipulation. Be sure to look at that movie after watching this movie. In the previous session, we promised to make this photo for you. Of course, before that, the idea of this photo is related to the Raffia channel. We have a lot of work to do, so I do not waste time and I quickly go to the training of this photo. If you like, you can download the stock files of this photo from the description. I take the forest photo in Photoshop and adjust the location of the photo. There is a cut trunk here that I do not think can be seen well in my photo. I select it and delete it. I add an adjustment hue to the forest. I check the colorize option. I set the photo ring where it turns blue. My photo numbers between 190 and 200. I reduce the color of the photo, and I make the photo a little brighter. Now I add a layer of brightness to it and make the photo wetter. I also increase the contrast of the image a bit. I take a picture of a samurai and put it on the picture. To make things easier, I copy and pin the 2 layers I created for the background to the samurai. I only make the samurai dimmer less than the background. Put the wolf photo in Photoshop and add it to the photo. The wolf must be much bigger to look more dreamy. I add an adjustment hue layer to it. Click the colorize option and make the color blue and darker again. Now I add an adjustment brightness and make my photo much darker. I reduce the contrast of my image. I select the brush tool and create 2 circles on the wolf's eyes with light blue color with fading edges. I erase the tops of the circles so that they look like eyes. Now I empty the inside of my eyes with an eraser to make them look like light. I also make 2 small dots in the middle of the eye with a lighter color to show the reflection of light. I create 2 larger and blurred circles again and set the layer mode to vivid light. I remove the extra places with the eraser. In the previous series, we taught you how to make a complete shadow here, too. We open a new layer and create a shadow with black brush under the wolf legs. The shadow should be darker the closer to the legs and lighter the farther away. I will open a new layer. I go to the filter menu and select render. Now I select the cloud option. I put the layer mode on the screen. I hold the mask by holding down the Alt button and the mask to create a black mask. Now with a white brush I create fog in the places I like. In order for the fog to be inside the photo and be natural, I will remove some fog from the bottom of the photo. I feel dark in the middle of the photo. I go to the brightens layer we created for the background and select the mask. I click with the black brush in the middle of the photo until it turns on. I will open a new layer and select the gradient tool. I fill the middle of the photo with blue color. I make a mask for this layer and wipe the underside of the samurai foot. In the same way we made a shadow for a wolf, we also make a shadow for a samurai. I want there to be a lot of fog in the photo and a little fog on the samurai. I will open a new layer again. I go to the filter menu and select render. I select the cloud over option. I apply the layer mode on the screen and fill it with a black mask. Now, with the white brush tool, I fill the fog on the samurai and parts of the image. Select Adjustment Brightens and darken the entire space of the photo. I will add a mask to it. I fill the top of the photo with a transparent brush so that only the bottom of the photo is dark and the top and middle of the photo are still light. I select all the layers of the photo and group them. I create a new layer of the photo by hitting the Alt and Shift and Control buttons. Now I go to Camera Raw and work more on the color of the photo. Just follow the mouse to know what I do. I choose adjustment curves to make my photo more vivid. This happens with a few clicks and darkens the photo. Using brightness, I increase the green color of the photo and the blue color and cyan color a lot. Now I open a new layer and draw a very thin line. I fill it with white. Now I clean the middle of the eye and the middle of the wolf's head to create linear and robotic light from the eyes. I go to the filter light and select the crystal and blur a little. You can use hue to make the photo more colorful. I also add a levels layer and sharpen the image by darkening it a lot. I select the sword layer. Open one new layers and fill it with white color. I go to the filter menu and fade it with Gaussian blur. Using the layer style and the outer glow option, I choose the color blue and fill the area around the sword with light. Open a new layer and fill it with light blue, apply the layer mode on vivid light and apply a black mask. Now I fill the parts of the clothes that I want to be the method of reflecting the light of the sword with a white brush. Was it great? It's over. We can easily manipulate the image several times. We made 3 photo manipulations using one photo. Wait, if you follow us from the first movie, you know that this is not the end, and we can manipulate the photo again with the same image. What do you think about this photo? Do you want this to be our next training? If you would like to make a photo manipulation tutorial for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the video. You can also give us energy in the comments. Thanks for joining us for the video so far.